Hi queens, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Tanajah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that you become a part of the queen family by clicking on that subscribe button. If you're already here and you're hesitant about clicking on that subscribe button, just go ahead and click it. It's free. It's not gonna, it's free, girl. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, girl. Anyway, I'm bringing this video today for all my natural girls, okay? Today it's not a makeup video, it's a hair video, and I used some products that were new in my beauty supply store here in my area, so I picked that up. I'm going to be using the KeraCare Curl Essence line from Sally's. Yeah, so I wanted to do this little wash and go, and I want to start incorporating natural hair videos on my channel, so that's why I decided to do this for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this video and you leave wanting to go get this, because I promise you that this is a great product. So enough of my rambling, let's go ahead and get into this video, girl. What I'm going to be using today is the Curl Essence by KeraCare. It says that it's for natural hair types 3 through 4, and they had shampoo, conditioner, a co-wash, edges. They had a oil cocktail, and a curling gel, but they did not have a deep conditioner, so I just stuck with my texture ID. But I did get the moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and it has Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. I got this. I got the moisturizing curling cream with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. It just looks like this. And I also got the Curl Essence moisturizing oil cocktail with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil, and I use this for my hot oil treatment. So yeah, and I'm also going to be using my handy dandy extreme wet line gel that I absolutely love to do my wash and go. And yeah, so let's just get into this video. The moisturizing curling cream kind of smells, you can smell the coconut in it. Kind of smells like the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture to me, and this product is really thick, so this is a thick product and it's really creamy. Yeah, this is, my hair is gonna love this. I love thick moisturizing products on my hair, and my hair loves it as well. So I'm probably gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner first, and then go in with the curling cream. So let me just get this together. I'm gonna drench my hair in water. Sundria, my hair is I think my hair texture is like a 3. I think Sundria said a 3B. Y'all, I'm not an expert at doing natural hair. Sundria helps me out a lot. I'm kind of still learning my hair, so yeah, but these how my curls are looking, like this. Just water, like it's nothing on my hair. The only thing I did to my hair after I washed it last night was my hot oil treatment, and I washed out my hot oil treatment, and I braided it up in plaits and put a bonnet on and went to sleep. So I'm gonna section that off into another section, get those roots, and I'm gonna go in first, like I said, with the leave-in conditioner. This is my first time trying this, guys. I have not tried this, and these products were really cheap. This leave-in is a little looser than the curling cream. But yeah, I'll go in with this. Take about this much and distribute that on this section. The slip is a good slip. So now I'm going to go in with the moisturizing curling cream. This slip is amazing. Oh my god. So I can tell that my hair likes glycerin. Because when I was watching some YouTube videos, yeah, this watch is gonna be bomb. I can already tell. When I was watching some videos, I know some people didn't like the product because it had glycerin in it. But I think my hair likes glycerin. I'm excited. So I'm gonna just shingle these curls, even though I feel like I really don't have to. Shingle some wet line extreme gel, and I'm going to apply that as well. I'm using praying hands. And these products were pretty cheap. With the Texture ID treatment mask, I paid $30 and like 28 cents at Sally's. So yeah, this product is at Sally's. So that's what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the next few clips, and when I get almost done, I'll show you what I'm working with. I'm done. Okay guys, I'm finally done adding all products to my hair. And so this is what I'm looking like right now. I'm looking all defined, and let me get up close so you guys can see. I'm looking all defined and moisturized. So this is how my hair is looking. So I'm not going to, I'm gonna try to keep my hands out of my hair, and I'm going to let my hair air dry. And the way that I let my hair air dry is I just like turn the ceiling fan on and sit in the living room and watch some TV to let my hair air dry. And once my hair air dries, I will come back and show you guys what my hair is looking like. Okay guys, my hair is about 95% dry. Once my hair was about 85% dry, I came in and stretched my hair with a blow dryer and kind of like dried my roots before I styled it or whatnot. So this is how my hair is looking, being 95% dry. It doesn't have a crunch. It's really moisturized, and my curls are really popping. I really like this. I think that, you know, this is a great product, and it really moisturized my hair. Now I will say that this side of my hair, my curls are a little bit looser than this side, but it still looks good. Like, yeah, it's really moisturized. I will be buying more items from this line. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try the shampoo, the conditioner, the curling gel, and I want to try the edge control as well. But I think that this product is a go. This is a product that I would continue to buy. It's affordable. It didn't break my pockets or anything like that. So yeah, I think, yeah, no, this is good. So this is how we're looking, queens. All moisturized and ready to go. I don't have that much frizz. I always get frizz on this side because my curls are looser. But other than that, it's great. Like, I will continue to buy this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you come back and watch another video when I upload one. If you want to continue to see natural hair videos, please give this a thumbs up so that I know that this is something that you guys want to see, so that I can keep pushing them out for you. I'm trying to do better about wearing my natural hair and not just do makeup videos with a wig on, because you don't have to wear weave to wear makeup. So yeah, I want to start incorporating natural hair videos on my channel. So at the end of this video, you'll see my social media handles. Please be sure to follow my social media account so that you won't miss any beauty updates or anything that I may post on my social media. I hope that I gained some subscribers today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you beautiful people in my next video. So yeah, bye.